Hey there, welcome to AiCE version 2 training. Today we start at the beginning with a quick tutorial on how to download AiCE to your phone and access AiCE on your computer. Remember, you can pick the appropriate speed for your preferred mode of learning on just about any player you're watching this video on by clicking the settings gear, selecting the playback speed, and then choosing an either fast or slower playback option if I'm going too fast or too slow for your tastes. If you already have an AiCE account, then this next section may not apply to you all that much, but if you're completely new to AiCE, there are a couple of things to consider before signing up for AiCE. If AiCE is your Zoom provider, then when you sign up for AiCE, you need to make sure you sign up with the same email address you currently use with your current Zoom account. Also, you may be at a company that already has a relationship with AiCE. In that case, you'll want to sign up through your company's link or back office. Not sure if you have a company that fits that description or just signing up for AiCE on your own? Well, then just sign up for AiCE the way I'm about to show you. And if you find out later that you need to connect your account with your company, you can always email us at support@aice.cc and we will get that fixed for you. To sign up, begin by navigating to aice.cc. We like to update the look of our website from time to time, but no matter when you are watching this video, there should always be a button at the top right-hand corner giving you the option to sign up or to try AiCE for free, which we recommend. I'll go ahead and click that button and then choose to start my AiCE Pro free trial. Here is the AiCE new account form. I'll fill it out, check the boxes, and tap the sign up button. This triggers a verification email from AiCE. I will move to my email provider, open the email from AiCE, and you may have to check your spam or junk folder to get that message. Copy the verification code, return to the AiCE tab, paste the verification code into the verification box, and click the verify button, which takes me to the payment screen. It is important to understand that my account won't be charged until after my free trial period has ended. Once I have submitted the payment form, I will be taken straight into my AiCE account. Now I'm good to go. Before I download the AiCE app to my mobile phone, I will first log into AiCE on my computer. While the mobile app is the main way that I utilize my AiCE subscription, there are some tasks I prefer to accomplish on my computer. To do that, I return to aice.cc and log into my account. Now that I have logged in, I can do just about everything here on my computer that I can do on my phone. It's time to download the AiCE app now to my phone. I actually have two phones and a tablet. I'll download the app to my Apple products first, and then to my Android. On my iPhone, I'll head on over to the iOS App Store. Once there, I'll find and tap the search bar and type AiCE before selecting the option with the logo that looks like this. Tap Get, and AiCE begins to download. Tapping Open once the download has concluded, the AiCE app opens and I can log in. After hitting allow on the notification that appears, I am ready to get my AiCE on. If I want the AiCE app on my iPad, which of course I do, I will follow the same process I followed with the iPhone. App Store, search for AiCE, tap Get, tap Open, log in, tap Allow, and I am ready to go. Of course, AiCE isn't just for Apple users. To get AiCE on my Android device, I will navigate to the Google Play Store and search for AiCE in the search bar. Again, the first option is the one I want, so I will go ahead and begin the download. Now I can hit the Open button, use my login and password information to log into my AiCE account, choose Allow on the notification that pops up, and now I'm ready to get started. Congratulations! If you followed along, you now have an AiCE account. You can access AiCE on your desktop through the AiCE web portal. You have the AiCE app on your Apple iPhone or tablet, and on your favorite Android device. Now that you have the power of AiCE at your fingertips, why not learn how to use it? The next video will go over gyms and collections and how to begin to start adding content to your AiCE account.